Trespass by animals. What are the defense available for it? Trespass for animals. There is an act on that. Cattle Trespass Act of 1871. Trespass by a man's cattle, sheep, poultry, etc. is similar to the trespass committed by the owner himself. Means for the acts of the cattle, the owner is liable. It is according to the Cattle Trespass Act of 1871. Such a person will be responsible for the trespass and consequential damages caused by his animal. The defense is that the act of a third person. The act of a stranger is a defense to liability under the rule. Means if the defendant is held liable for the trespass by the animals, then as a defense he can use act of a third party. Because of the act of the third party, the cattle had entered into that owner's property. The act of a stranger is a defense to the liability under the rule. Then the default of a plaintiff means the failure to fence the property may descend title, means deprive someone of a right, the plaintiff. The negligence of a plaintiff cannot lead the defendant to be held liable. An act of a god means because of the natural forces, if the cattle or the animal entered into the another's property and damaged it, then it can be held liable to the owner of the animal for that act. Means here for the act of the god, that owner of that cattle cannot be held liable. And inevitable accident. These are the defense available for the trespass by the animals. Cattle Trespass Act of 1871.